It's also an election where you look at, one second, Neelanjan, you talk about a character like a Shuvendu Adhikari. He is your typical Sam, Dam, Dandabhed kind of player. He'll do what it takes. He thinks left, he thinks right, not necessarily straight. He's thinking of not just how to bolster his own fortunes, but also how to bring down the fortunes of his opponents. And when I traveled with him, I saw in the same day, Rajdeep, Amit Shah called him 4 times. Amit Shah doesn't frequently do that. One person being called, and he had all kinds of asks for him. There was one candidate who wasn't campaigning, one BJP worker who wasn't campaigning because the ticket had been cut. He spoke to Shuvendu, usse baat karo, and try and win him back and try and get him to campaign. And suddenly Shuvendu was very pumped up, going out of his way, calling his guy. He's out to prove a point. I see shades of Himanta Biswa Sarma in Shuvendu Adhikari.
I was about to say that in the 2 states that the BJP hopes to win today, who are they relying on? In Assam, on Himanta Biswa Sarma, once the right-hand man of the Congress strongman of Assam, Tarun Gogoi, and in Bengal, on the likes of Shuvendu Adhikari, on the likes of Mukul Roy, who have been Mamta's right-hand men. So it's not as if it's an organic BJP leader. You see, Dilip Ghosh is the most popular BJP leader, but
not really. The poll says 6% want him to be chief minister, 5% is Shuvendu Adhikari, 26% is any candidate.
The BJP cadres, I'm sure, will want one of their own, but the BJP has strategically realized you can't win Bengal without first breaking Mamta's flock. They didn't have the organizational bandwidth or the leadership bandwidth to build a party in 5 years. They needed to break Mamta. And I think Mukul Roy 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and then crucially Shuvendu Adhikari gave them the organizational news to know what are the weak points of Mamta. Mukul Roy once told me, I know exactly what Mamta does in which constituency. Who are the people she relies on? So you had a mole in a way whom you took away, and has become one of your key men. He's contesting, Shuvendu's contesting.
But Shuvendu Adhikari, when he was much younger, was part of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad's Ram Mandir agitation, worked on the ground, contributed towards it. So he may have been in the Trinamool Congress, in a constituency where the Muslims are, in huge numbers, winning, even wearing a skull cap if required. But in the past, he's been with the VHP and he's fit into the BJP like a fish takes to water, and settled in really nicely and proving to be, according to the BJP top leadership, a huge force multiplier for them.
Sam, Dam, Dandabhed politician, which is the kind which you need sometimes in today's competitive elections.
No, but otherwise you only get moral victories, Rajdeep.
Well, look, at the end of the day, if the BJP is claiming Ashol Porivartan, is Ashol Porivartan taking some of the goons of the TMC and making them your own? Just like Mamta Banerjee, when she spoke of Porivartan and brought down the left, what did she do? Many of those who were accused in the left of Gundagardi or running panchayats as their
So that wasn't Porivartan either.
They moved to Mamta. Now you're seeing some of those goons moving to the BJP. So I wonder whether this so-called Ashol Porivartan is Porivartan or simply about winning an election at all costs. But we'll see that in the evening as the numbers go.
At this moment, we have leads for 75 assembly constituencies. The 75 leads for the Trinamool, 58 leads for the BJP. Trinamool is down 20 seats from the 2016 assembly election. The BJP is up 57 from the last time. That's where things stand. If we were to do it on a party-by-party basis in West Bengal, we have 76 leads for the Trinamool, 58 for the BJP.
Sorry, Rahul. It appears for the first time some kind of a lead building up. Am I correct? 18 seats at the moment, very early trends. These are, remember, mainly still through postal ballots and first round trends. But clearly what we are seeing is Mamta Banerjee is still not losing the kind of ground that the BJP claimed they would win. There's no wave evident at the moment. No, remember, the BJP claimed up ki bar 200 par. We are not seeing that at the moment in Bengal.
Part of the reason is that leads at this moment, 53 are from the presidency area, where the Trinamool is leading on 30. That's also the more urban pockets of the state of West Bengal. But remember,
no sweep. What is clear is Mamta Banerjee, whatever the result, is not being swept out. At the end of the first and second round, the BJP was talking of up ki bar 200
But go back to the match between Mumbai Indians and the Chennai Super Kings from last time. Wait till the end.
Sure.
Don't go by what the commentators are saying when the match has just got started. This is just the first innings, first few overs. All this commentary will change as this match plays on. Kieron Pollard, one of the last ball in the match. That's how the Mumbai Indians win. You need to wait right till the end.
We do, but I think in the 3 southern states, I think we are getting some kind of southern comfort. You know, there's a lovely drink called Southern Comfort. You should try it sometime. But maybe we are not supposed to talk about alcohol, but it's a good drink. Either way, BJP, Puducherry, the BJP...
Was this part of election on my plate?
No, no. You
Tell
don't-
me honestly.
Southern Comfort is not an easy drink to get, but look, in Puducherry, the AINRC BJP alliance, NDA now, 5 seats. Congress is leading just in 1. In Tamil Nadu, take a look again, 34 to the DMK, 11 to the AIDMK, to 3-1 in Tamil Nadu also. And in Kerala, where the fascinating election is coming, because this is history if it sustains, 10 to the LDF at the moment. Those are the Tamil Nadu numbers, 34, 11, 1. Kerala numbers equally interesting. 10 at the moment, 10 leads are to the left front in Kerala and just 2 to the UDF. So you're clearly seeing in Kerala the possibility, as our exit polls have been predicting, of a Vijayan wave. And I'm calling it a Vijayan wave more than a left wave.